A divorce is one of the most traumatic occurrences that can happen to anybody. And you have to have an awareness when a client comes into the office in the level of trauma that they have. There may be children involved, there may be finances involved, there's a lot of fear involved. And basically what we do is try and maintain not only the legal awareness, but the personal awareness, right? That emotional awareness of what they're going through and how to walk them through the most difficult time in their life that not only protects them, but if you really think it through well and really focus on your client and his or her needs, can actually make their future better than it would otherwise be. I remember this one case that we had where I represented the wife and she came in very traumatized. The husband had decided to get divorced and it was after an affair and she was crushed. And I remember trying to walk her through that there's no way that we could fix the past, which hurt, and it was really painful for her. But it was interesting. It took a couple of months, but as we worked with her to realize that if she can look at it, one, in a more positive way, but two, and most importantly, I think this really helped her to look at it through the children's eyes, that if you want to maintain the anger, you want to maintain the response to pain against your other spouse, I'm a good litigator. I will get you to court and I can devastate the other side. However, it's going to devastate what is left of the family. And once I was able to convince my client, and of course the other side, who was insensitive and quite honestly ignorant to the effect he was having on my client, not only did we reduce the trauma to them and gave her sort of a lease on life of sorts, a renewed lease on life, but it really helped resolve the case and help protect the children. Putting in that work up front, acknowledging where the client is, what they come to you with, the pain that they're in, the fear that they have, the anger that they have, we really can have a positive impact on the family as a whole. The client, who, don't forget, I'm a zealous advocate. Everything that I do has to be focused on the client's best interest. It's just an awareness that the client's best interest include the restoration or the continuation of a family with less trauma. If you don't like this business, if you don't love practicing family law, if you don't have the passion for it, go do something else. You can make more money in corporate law than you can in family law. You have to have your heart in it enough to know that you're doing everything you can to protect your client, not only from the other side, but from what the law may do to them if you don't have somebody good fighting for you.